Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wild Rift on Huawei devices. Many Huawei users wonder if they can enjoy this popular mobile game without Google Play services. The good news is, you absolutely can. We will guide you through the entire process, from initial installation to optimizing your game settings. You'll be ready to join the arena and battle it out with your friends in no time, experiencing all the action Wild Rift has to offer. To install Wild Rift, first check the Huawei app gallery. Many regions offer the game directly there, ensuring a safe and verified download. If it's not available, you can use a reputable third-party app store. Always download from trusted sources to protect your device. The game requires approximately 3 GB for the initial download, plus additional data for updates, so ensure you have ample storage, ideally more than 4 GB free. Once installed, you will need a Riot Games account to play. If you don't have one, it's a straightforward process to create one directly through the game or on the Riot Games website. Simply enter your email, choose a username, and set a strong password. After creating your account, log in using your new credentials. If you encounter any login problems, first verify your internet connection and ensure the game is fully updated to the latest version. For the best experience, optimize your game settings. Navigate to the in-game graphics options and experiment with settings like frame rate and resolution. Many players find 60 frames per second offers the smoothest experience. A stable internet connection, ideally a strong Wi-Fi signal, is crucial to avoid lag. Also, close any unnecessary background applications to free up your device's memory and processing power, ensuring Wild Rift runs as smoothly as possible for every match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.